Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study and pass anatomy and physiology. First, begin by understanding the foundational concepts before diving into intricate details. It's crucial to break down complex topics into smaller, more manageable sections, making the learning process less overwhelming. Utilize a variety of resources, including your textbook, anatomical models, and helpful online videos, to gain multiple perspectives. Actively engage with the material by drawing and labeling diagrams yourself. To truly master anatomy and physiology, active learning is essential. Try teaching concepts to a study partner or explaining them aloud to yourself. This reinforces your understanding. Create detailed flashcards for key terms, definitions, and physiological processes, reviewing them frequently. Regularly solve practice questions and case studies to apply your knowledge in different scenarios. Always attend lectures and labs, participating actively to clarify any uncertainties. Effective memory techniques are vital for retaining the vast amount of information in anatomy and physiology. Employ mnemonics, acronyms, or even simple rhymes to help recall complex lists or sequences. Always strive to connect new information to your existing knowledge base, creating a stronger mental framework. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing material consistently over several days or weeks. Finally, visualize anatomical structures and physiological processes in action to solidify your understanding. When exam time approaches, strategic preparation is key. Simulate actual exam conditions by taking timed practice tests. This helps manage your time effectively. Identify your weak areas early on and dedicate extra study time to reinforce those concepts. Remember to prioritize your well-being by getting adequate rest and nutrition, especially in the days leading up to an exam. Finally, trust your thorough preparation and approach the exam with a calm, confident mindset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.